Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of mining website. So this is the latest version of Lab 2.4 completely working. So if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy it on very low price from market. So we will provide you complete support. So now let's start this video. So first of all, you can see the amazing look of its home page. It has three different templates. Here you can see the option of start mining. So basically this is a mining website. Here you can calculate your profit according to your plan. Here it's about a section, and here are frequently asked question section. Here are the transaction log section. Here is a services section. You can edit it completely from admin panel. So website is with admin panel and you don't need any coding knowledge to control it, and you can easily control it from admin panel. So you can see the amazing look of its home page right here in this section. And here you can see that it is hosted over my subdomain, and here you can see that I've installed it on my domain. Then I'm giving you the demo review of this script. So first of all, we must have to create an account over this site in order to create a plan. So I will guide you completely about this, that how you can create plans and how you can change templates and other things, etc. So now here is a register option. So now let's create account over this website. Here you have to fill your username, email, phone number, password. So I'm currently entering the random details, but you have to enter your correct details. And here you have to enter your email. Here you have to enter your phone number. So currently I'm entering the random detail, but you have to enter the correct details right here. And here is a password section, and you have to enter your password. Now when I click on I agree with the privacy, and when you click on register now, it will redirect you to a next page of this site. So here you have to enter your username. So I have to enter my username. And here you have to enter your address, and currently I am entering just demo details for my address and zip codes. So now when I click on submit, it will log me into my user panel of this website, and you can see the look of amazing user panel. So currently our account has created, so I'm not using any email verification, but you can use them. You can turn them on off from admin panel. Here you can see your total balance, total referral bonus. Here you can see your total transactions. Here is a home page. Here you can go to withdraw money. Here you can see start mining. So currently I haven't listed any mining plan, so no mining plan is showing, but I will show you how you can create the mining plan. Here is the support ticket option and my account settings and other things. So you can withdraw money, deposit money according to your plans and other things. So now let's log into our admin panel, and let's see how we can control this site from the admin panel. So I'm directly going to the admin panel of this website, and this is the admin panel login page. So I will enter my username here, and here I will enter my password and just click on login. So here you can see that site is newly created, and you can see only one user, which is our own account. So here you can see your total notification for deposit, withdraw. All the notifications will be appeared here for the admin, and admin can view them and take required action. So here admin can see total miners, total plans, total amount of sales. Here admin can see the graphs. So if you want to list the miner for any coin, just go to here and enter these details for miner, and you can easily create a new miner for Bitcoin, any coin, local coin you want to mine. So this is how you can create a miner. Here are the mining plans. So let me show you how you can create a plan on this site. So let's create a simple plan, which is basic mining plan or Bitcoin mining plan. So let's create a Bitcoin mining plan. Here you have to select a miner. So first of all, let's create a miner for Bitcoin. Here we have to create a miner. So BTC and coin code 123. So currently, sorry for this, BTC miner withdraw limit and miner withdraw max limit. Here insert the image. So currently I am entering a random image, and let's submit it. So our BTC miner has created successfully. Now go to mining plans, and here you have to create a mining plan for your mining procedure. So Bitcoin, here you have to select the miner. Here you have to set the price for the plan. So I'm just entering a fixed plan. Here you have to return amount a day, which is $5 a day. You can set up according to your plan. So speed in hash, and I'm setting the speed, and here you have to insert a period for days, so it is for 7 days, which is for week. Here you can insert features of the plan, and here you can insert the description. And so currently I'm just clicking on submit, and it will create the plan. So here you can see that our plan has created successfully. Now let's go to our website and let's see how our plan is looking. So now just go back to our site, and let's see our plan has inserted or not. So let's go to plans option, and here you can see that our plan has inserted successfully $1,000 for 7 days. So I haven't inserted any description on or features, but when you insert the features, that they will be appeared right here. So let me show you also how crypto and let's click on submit, and you will see that features will also add it to the mining plan as well. So now we have updated the plan, and here you can see that our crypto mining, BTC mining features had updated. So this is how you can create a plan and you can customize it. So I'm just creating a random plan just in order to show you how you can do these things. Here you can track, admin can track the mining of complete website. Here admin can view all the users of the website. Here you can see the user, and you can change balances to the user account. You can add balance, subtract balance from user account from here. So this is how you can add or subtract the balance from user account. So these are the payment gateway option. Let me show you the automatic payment gateways. So there are a lot of automatic payment gateways are given. You can use them, and you can configure them from here. And if you want to create your own any local gateway, you can create that from here. So these are all the payment requests. You can approve or reject them from here. Here is a withdrawal option. You can approve or reject the withdrawal request of user. Here admin can view the support ticket. Here admin can view all the reports of the website. Admin can see the subscriber of the website. From general settings, so from general setting, basically admin can change the title of website, preloader settings of site, currency of site. You can insert any currency. You can change the site based colors. Here is a system configuration. Admin can turn on off different features of the website, such as email verification, mobile verification, and all other features. Here are the referral setting. Admin can set up the different levels of referrals. From logo and favicon, admin can change the logo of the website. So here admin can change the logo of this website from here, and admin can insert the own logo of business from here. And here are extension option. You can insert a live chat and other extension if you want to insert. From language, you can change the language of the website. You can insert any local language. Here is a SEO manager. You can manage the SEO of website, KYC setting, everything you can manage it from here. From manage template, you can change the template. Here are manage pages. Here is manage section. You can edit any page that is on your home page from here. For example, I want to edit the about us section, so just click on it and you can easily edit the about us section. So similarly, you can edit all the sections that are on your home page. So viewers, if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy the script on very low price, and we will provide you complete support from installation to any other support. And if you need the complete website with domain name and hosting, we also build the complete websites. So don't waste much more time and contact us and buy this script. And if you need more details, you can contact us for more details as well. And if you need any type of hype website, investment website, all type of scripts are available, and we will provide you at a very low price from market. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.